Vishali Rakesh. You're in VISHAA Studio. So this is my new channel. It calls VISHAA Studio. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell notification to be the first one to watch newly posted videos like this. So I'll be posting challenge videos, art and craft videos, and more like that. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell notification to be the first one to watch newly posted videos like this. Let's get to the video. Today I'm gonna read storybook, one of my favorite things to do. This one. Words. This is kind of boring. I don't like this storybook. I want to read another one. This one. This is even worse. I want to read the last one because it's kind of good. Uh-oh, I forgot the page we were trying to read last time. Maybe it's the time that I need to use a bookmark. But crits are not allowed in store. How should I bought a bookmark now? I know, I can make my own bookmark. Let's get started to make a bookmark, you guys. The things that you need to do bookmark is notepad, scissors, and sticker. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take this notepad and then take a dark color. This pink one is dark enough. And just tear it. Now, fold it like this. Now, the rectangle paper turned into a square paper, you guys. Great. Now, put this paper like this. And put this side in the down corner to the top one. Just carefully and press it really hard to get the mark on the sides corners. There. Good. Now, this side corner must go in the top. Like that. And this one. There. And now press it hard to get the mark. See? Now we have the mark. We're going to put the top corner to the down corner. And tuck these side corners in here. We're done. And what a bookmark without some decorations. So that's here where the sticker come in. I cut out ears and horn for our bookmark, and it's gonna be unicorn, my favorite animal. And we're gonna use marker too as well because unicorn's a creature and need to have a eye. We can draw the eye with marker. So let's start with the eye. Put a curve and eyelashes. And the same thing over here. Now I already cutted the ears and horns. So all we need to do is stick. So I'm going to get the glue here. And there. Guys, this turned out amazing. I really like my bookmark. So cute. And now I could put it in my book. Open the page. And just tuck it in. And close it. It's pretty organized and nice. And I know which page I'm going to use. So cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell notification to be the first one to watch newly posted videos like this. Bye!